Hello everybody, today we're going to see the unboxing of Boditech i-chroma TSH test cartridge kit. Basically, if you look at that, this product is from Korea, from Boditech, and it is a TSH test kit. It's a CE-IVD certified product. You can see this here. It is intended use is quantitative test of TSH in human serum and plasma. And you can see the reference part numbers here. And typically each box contains 25 cartridges, 2 detector vial, 1 detector diluent buffer, and 25 sample mixing tube, 1 ID chip, and 1 insert tube. Let me go around the box. You can see this here. You can see it's manufactured in Korea. The other side, and here it is. Let me open this. If you look at here, inside the box you can find one ID chip, TSH, it says TSH, and if you go inside further you can see that there is a 25 numbers of sample mixing tubes. Here it is. This is how the tubes looks like. Sample mixing tubes. Sample mixing tubes, 25 numbers, and you will get a one package insert here. You can see that there is one package insert. This package insert is the instruction for use brochure. This is, I can tell you again, it is for i-chroma TSH. i-chroma TSH is a fluorescence immunoassay for the quantitative determination of TSH in human serum plasma. This brochure contains the complete instruction manual and testing procedures and warning limitations, and how you can set up your test, and how you can interpret your results, limitations. You can see the test setup, test procedures, and how do you interpret your results. You can see those complete details is available in the IFA brochure. Let me keep it here. And further, if you get inside of the tube, you can see there's 2 bottles of what do you call it, as a detector, TSH detector. As is there, yeah, you have a buffer and you also have a detector diluent buffer. If you can see that, as I said, this pack contains 2 detector vials and one diluent buffer. This is how it is packed. It's kept in a single pack. Inside you can see the 25 test cartridges here. Okay, here I can take some 2 pieces from here. Okay, this is the other side here. Okay, you can see this is the test cartridge of i-chroma TSH, CE-IVD certified. You can see the lot number and the expiry date. And the other side of the cartridge pack has the certificate body. Okay, if you look at this product is from Boditech i-chroma TSH for the quantitative test of TSH in human serum and plasma. This on a standard. If you look at, just quickly to summarize here, this each 25 test cartridge box contains 1 chip box, 1 ID chip, 1 ID chip, and 25 sample mixing tubes, and 1 IFU brochure, and you get 2 detector wires and 1 detector diluent buffer and 25 test cartridges. This is the quick summary of i-chroma TSH test cartridge kit. Thank you.